Welcome to Barcode Library. Here we'll show you how to use our software to read all kinds of 1D and 2D barcodes. Here we will learn how to scan, read barcode images using BarcodeLib C Barcode Reader library. Barcode Library supports QR code, data matrix, PDF, 417, code 128 EAN-UPC, and other 20 more barcode image recognition in Visual Studio.NET application. I've already added Barcode Library, Barcode Reader Library, DLL to the C# console project reference, and installed system.drawing.common NuGet package through NuGet Package Manager. In this guide, we will try to scan and read the EAN-13 barcode text string from these image files. So let's go ahead and go to the program CS file. To start with, we have two necessary using statements at the top of the code file. The line using BarcodeLib Reader imports the full barcode reading library. This library supplies all core classes we need for barcode detection, such as optimized setting, barcode, and the static read barcode scanning method that handles EAN-13 decoding. The second import using system.diagnostics is a built-in .NET namespace. It gives us access to the debug class, which we use to print all decoded barcode content into the debug output window, so we can easily check scan results during testing. Right after these two namespace references, we use repeated empty debug.writeLine calls to create blank spaces in the log output. We also add a horizontal divider line and a simple label line to mark each separate image scanning test case. This formatting trick keeps logs neatly separated, so we won't mix up results from different test images when we look through the debug output later. Every independent scanning task is wrapped inside its own set of curly braces. This creates a separate local scope for variables like options and datas. That way, we won't run into variable name conflicts between the three scan blocks, and each test logic stays independent and easy to adjust individually. Let's break down each block one by one. The first enclosed code block handles standard EAN-13 barcode scanning, matching the comment that says we extract an EAN-13 barcode from an image file. We create an optimized setting instance and pass BarcodeReader.EAN-bar13 to its constructor. This configuration restricts the scanner engine to only search for EAN-13 linear barcodes, which speeds up scanning speed and reduces false matches of other barcode formats. Next, we call the core static method BarcodeReader.readBarcode, passing the full local file path of the target image and our pre-configured optimization options as parameters. This scanning function returns an array named datas made up of barcode objects, since one single image could hold multiple separate barcodes.
We loop over every barcode entry in the datas array with a for each loop. Inside the loop, we call data.getMessage parentheses to get the plain numeric text decoded from the EAN-13 symbol, then print this text string via debug.writeLine parentheses for us to review. The second isolated block is made for EAN-13 barcodes paired with an extra add-on symbol. We initialize the same EAN-13 focused optimizetting without any extra parameter changes. The barcode library's built-in decoder can automatically detect and combine the main EAN-13 body and its attached add-on segment under the standard EAN-13 scan setting. No extra switches need to be toggled. We run read barcode parentheses on the target image, collect all detected barcode results, and iterate each result to print the complete decoded barcode text just like the first block. The third scope block is designed for images containing rotated EAN-13 barcodes. We still initialize the base EAN-13 optimization setting with 0 additional rotation-related configurations. The scanner engine has native logic to identify tilted, skewed, or rotated linear barcodes automatically, so we don't need to adjust any settings to handle angled symbols. We execute the read barcode method against the rotated barcode image, grab the array of scan results, and loop through each detected barcode record to output its decoded numeric text. All blank debug print lines and divider headers are purely for visual log organization. Separating each image scan into its own code block keeps the script modular. We can edit, remove, or add new test cases without breaking other scanning logic in the file.
Now let's run the console application and see the scanned barcode text output. Review of the first scanned barcode image file. This image contains a standard horizontal EAN-13 retail barcode with no extra add segments and no rotation. Locking the scanner to EAN-13 mode let the engine quickly locate the linear barcode pattern without confusing background elements. The full 13-digit numeric data stored inside the symbol was fully decoded, and complete readable barcode text was printed successfully with no recognition errors. Review of the second scanned barcode image file. This image carries a full EAN-13 barcode with an extra small add-on symbol attached to its right side. Using default EAN-13 scan settings, the decoder successfully recognized both the main EAN-13 body and its add-on part, merged their encoded data correctly, and output the full combined barcode text without missing any digits from the add-on segment. Review of the third scanned barcode image file. This image holds an EAN-13 barcode placed at a rotated angle within the frame. Even without dedicated rotation correction settings enabled, the scanner's internal alignment algorithm detected the skewed barcode bars, realigned the symbol virtually, and decoded all 13 numeric digits accurately. Full valid barcode text was retrieved and logged with no garbled or missing numbers. All 3 different barcode image files completed scanning without any detection failures. Every EAN-13 symbol inside each image was fully identified and decoded, and complete usable barcode text data was obtained from all scanned images. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and follow Barcode Library for more barcode tutorials.